We have some breaking news right now on what has turned into the soap opera and saga of the markets right now, and that is the story of GameStop. The news to bring you right now is that Melvin Capital Management, this is the hedge fund that had shorted this company, that had effectively been attacked by an army of investors trying to push up and press up the stock of GameStop along the way. Melvin Capital is now out of the stock. They got out of the stock, from what I understand, yesterday afternoon. I just got off the telephone with Gabriel Plotkin, who runs that firm. They've taken a rather huge loss. I do not have the full number on what that loss looked like. As was reported yesterday, both Citadel and Point72 have infused something on the order of close to $3 billion into Melvin Capital to try to shore up its finances. And Gabe Plotkin telling me just moments ago that the speculation that the firm would file for bankruptcy is false. There's some reporting taking place on Reddit, where so much of this discussion began and really created the momentum for as I said, an army of investors using options to try to press up that price. To some degree, they might be able to argue now that they succeeded. If this was really about vanquishing, if you will, Wall Street, or vanquishing a hedge fund manager, in this case, they did take a loss. They may have not put them out of business, but boy, did they come close. We've been following this story, which has been such a wild one. GameStop shares right now, I mean, I can't, I don't even know what to say. It's up 131%, $342 on any kind of fundamental basis. If the stock were worth more than $20 or $30, I think it would be, something to behold. Real questions, of course, about stock manipulation, about the power of what's taking place on places like Reddit, really what's motivating this type of trading behavior at all. It clearly has nothing to do with the fundamentals of GameStop itself anymore, and much more to do with sort of pop psychology of who's going to be left holding the bag. The thing that concerns me most at this point is whether some of these investors will actually start to get out today. They'll look at this and say, we won the game, if that's winning. Unclear where the finish line is in that regard. But as much pain as they may have created for Melvin Capital, for example, my great anxiety at this point is the number of retail investors that have been jumping into this literally in the last 24 hours, who very well may get hurt far more and lose far more than some of the hedge funds that were involved in this. Let's just show you where we are right now. Joe mentioned at the top of the program Elon Musk tweeting yesterday, which also powered the stock even higher. I mean, there's nothing normal about what you're seeing when it comes to this stock right now. Stock up 51% on Friday, 18% on Monday, 92% yesterday. As I said, soaring in the pre-market.